used up all your energy too. What? Come on! You start your energy. Oh shit! You broke it!
Oh my god!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to break it. Oh, Dad! You broke the damn thing. Stop! I'm choking! I broke it!
Oh my god!
And the TV is shit! Great! What? You cry, it'll be fine. What? Oh my god! Damn piece of shit! Stop! Damn piece of shit! What are you bothering with a damn thing? Oh, what is your... What? Jesus, Dad! Oh my god! Oh, get out! Oh my god! Get out now, Lyle! Get out! I don't know what to do! Oh, shit, my word! I'll see it! Dad, it's right on the floor! You gotta get it up now. You gotta get it up now. Get it out of the house! Get out of here! Jesus! What did I do? I didn't do nothing! You're sick! It's smoking still! What do you buy garbage for? Something don't work. Are you serious? Why did you buy something that don't work? Bro, this thing is gonna catch on fire! It's outside, who cares? You don't even care! You bought something defective. Send it back. Send it back. Just let that something's defective. It's defective because you put it... Hope you didn't pay too much for that.